On Windows 11, you can device manager to install drivers. However, before proceeding you must download the package from the manufacturer support website to your computer or onto USB flash drive. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install missing drivers on Windows 11 from device manager. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Right click start button, then select device manager. Right click the device missing the driver. And select the update driver option. Click the browse my computer for drivers option. And click the browse button and select the folder containing the files or the missing driver. Click the OK button. Check the include subfolder option. Click the next button. Click close. Right click the device missing the driver. Then select enable device. Right click the device missing the driver and select the update driver option. Click search for automatically for drivers. Then click search for update drivers on Windows updates. After you complete the step, the driver will install, allowing the device to interact with Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.